Hello, good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about the bank marketing strategy. The first is strategy. The strategy is the type of decision is made by the top executive and member of bank board of directors concerning the relationship between the bank organization as a whole and its environment.
In other words, strategy describes critical boundary spanning decision that for overall bank marketing organization and management providing answers to questions such as in what specific business should the bank be in terms of mix of service and product offer. Second, in what course of action should the organization pursue in terms of emphasis timing, and how should the bank resources be acquired and how should these resources be deployed for more efficient marketing operations, and what major market opportunities are most compatible with bank's top management definitions.